Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing recipe to grow long and thicken hair naturally to the point that you will actually need to cut it. It is super effective oil that will get you an amazing hair growth naturally. It's a formula to grow your hair super fast and to grow inches overnight. This magical recipe works amazingly, my friends. Apply it once and see your hair to grow super fast. It enhances the hair growth from the roots and will get you an amazing result. The first ingredient we will need is cinnamon, and cinnamon known to production of hair, and it's helping in blood circulation naturally. It improves the blood circulation in the scalp. So my friends, the result will amaze you. The first thing we will need is cinnamon sticks, and we need to grind it fine to get cinnamon sticks powder. And add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon sticks powder or ground cinnamon. Then we need to add baby oil and add around 3 teaspoons. Then we need coconut oil. Then we need to add 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Mix the ingredients very well like so. It's recommended to leave it 48 hours until it's soaked completely in the oils, and the oils will get absorbed with the cinnamon powder, and then use it. Apply drops in your hair like so, and massage the hair scalp with that remedy, and leave it overnight with your fingertips. Massage the hair scalp and leave it overnight, my friends, to get the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.